Hello, everybody. I got a question for you. How many of y'all remember the Big Hardee, the burger you used to get from Hardee's? It was a really, really good burger. I loved it. Ate it at least once a week, sometimes twice a week. Then one day, I went to get it, and they act like they never had it. They said they don't have it anymore. It was pulled from the menu. They don't have it anymore. But it was two patties, lettuce, and a special sauce. That's all that was on it, and it was really, really good. I really loved it. Uh, but you can't get it. I don't know. It was really popular too. I know a lot of people that ate it, but you could just they pulled it. You can't get it. Anyways, I tried to make my own. I went through every sauce I could find. Most people said the sauce they used was a Thousand Island. It's not Thousand Island. I bought everything at the grocery store, every burger sauce I could find, every recipe on the internet I could find to try to make a replica Big Hardee, and I just couldn't do it. But one day I finally figured it out. It's really close. I can get really, really close to it because of the sauce. But let me show you, if you love the Big Hardee, how you can have a Big Hardee again. So, yeah, I've been to Hardee's. Some of the fries. This is the Superstar. It's on their menu. It's a double patty burger. And what you do, order the Superstar, and you bring your own sauce. And let me tell you, this is it. Ken's Steakhouse Russian dressing. It's not Thousand Island, it's Russian. That's the key. That is the key to making it taste like the Big Hardee sauce. All you do, order your Superstar. You can get lettuce. I can get tomato too. So I get lettuce and tomato only on it. Then, of course, the cheese and the meat. Put your Russian dressing on. Oh, yeah. And there you go. You have yourself a Big Hardee that you made yourself, even though they won't sell you one anymore. I even went back after they discontinued them and tried to buy some of the sauce. They told me they threw all the sauce away. That's what corporate told them to do. Throw it in the garbage. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. That's it. Y'all try it. I know this is a little bit hard to find. There's only one store in my area that carries it, and that's Food City. Publix, Ingles, all of them, none of them have it. They carry the Ken's brand, but not in the Russian dressing. So the only place I'm going to find it around me is Food City. Hopefully they'll keep it in stock. So if you missed the Big Hardee, you can try it. It's really, really good. Mm. I tried so many ways to make it. Buying ground beef, you just can't get the taste of this meat to match the Hardee's meat. Who knows what's in it? It's probably not good for you, but sure does taste good. If y'all want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe to my channel. Put some comments. What you'd like to see. Do you have any restaurants? Is your favorite restaurant you'd like me to go get some food at and try? Put it in the comments below. If we have one around close, I think I'll go try it out. We've also got some little mom and pop restaurants around that's really good that I'm thinking about doing some videos for. And we do have a couple of really, really good ones. That sauce is good. That's what really makes it. So, I guess that's going to be all for me right now. So, if any of you Big Hardee fans are missing the Big Hardee, get the Superstar with lettuce or tomato, whatever you want on it. Ken's Steakhouse Russian dressing. That's what you need to put on it. And I swear, it's just like the Big Hardee. All right, well, I hope y'all have a great day. And I will see y'all on the next video. Thank you for watching.